You want to take a picture? You want to take a picture?
I do, but they already went off once. That's enough. Oh, I learned. Well, what are they doing? I don't really understand.
You will see. You will see. They want to catch a fish, like a small fish you have seen there. They will catch every little fish. Because they have got net. The net is down there.
Oh, that's right. They did have a net.
Yeah.
Oh.
So right now they come close. You see? You see?
Indeed.
That's attacking. What the fuck? It's really funny, even for me, it's very funny. Make sure they don't see it. Okay.
I wonder how long they're going to be in there. So why the dish on the head then? That I don't understand still. I don't understand the dish on the head.
When they get fish, they put in the dish.
Oh.
Yeah, because sometimes they catch a lot of fish. So it's the fish not to run. When they catch, they put in the dish. So everybody has good fish.
And they just carry the dish on top of their head then?
Yes.
Wow.
You know, that's why they are strong. Because they walk too fast in the ocean.
Yeah.
Watch out, they don't see you.
That's why I'm looking away. They don't notice.
Because if they're going to see you, they'll talk a shit. They'll talk a shit again. Talk a shit again, of course.
I couldn't understand, but I knew they were talking shit that first time.
You've just had recently the way they were talking.
I could tell. It was so funny.
Okay. So watch out.
Sarah.
I'll defend you. I'll try to defend you as much as I can.
Something.
Okay.
Oh, wait, how do I say I'm sorry?
From my hand.
Okay.
The good story to say for you is to run away. Then I will say sorry. Okay?
They are going deep. My goodness.
Oh, you're taking a video, right?
Indeed.
I see. Okay.
That's why I kept looking away.
Okay, so now look at them. Take a video but do not try to look at them. And then just look at the beach there. Yeah. So there are some boys here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Snorkeling.
Snorkeling. They're going to catch the fish. Very soon.
Oh.
Yeah.
You think they got our fish line that was over here in the water?
Yeah. They got a fish.
No, I'm saying the latest. Do you think they got the fish that we were watching? Do you think they got him?
I'm not sure. Until they come up, then we can find out. But normally they get fish.